Hello friends, welcome back to the new video. If you are the new viewer on my channel, so don't forget to subscribe my channel and like the video. So today's video title is how to turn off notification sound in Redmi phone. So let us start our video. Firstly, you have to move up. You have to see here many app icons. Click on the firstly setting icon. Then you have to see here many more options. Scroll down and click on the sound and vibration option. Then you have to see here many more options. Click on the notification sound option. After that you have see here many sound. Choose any sound from here which you want to set or change on the notification. But if you want to turn off notification sound in your mobile phone, click on the none option. Now click on the back option. In this way notification sound is turned off in your mobile phone. So I hope this video helps you. So please subscribe my channel and like the video. Thank you so much for watching our video. We will meet you soon with next video.